Hey guys, welcome back to Handmade. I'm Danielle. I'm spending a lot of time at home and working from home, and I'm constantly trying to make little tweaks here and there to make my office space more functional. I really don't have a lot of storage, and I'm tired of fumbling through my desk drawer, trying to find a pen, trying to find a pencil, and so on. I have this little corner of a blank wall here. There's not a ton of room, but it's right in arm's reach of my desk, and I'm envisioning something where I can put pens, pencils, a calendar, a cork board, and also add a little design interest on the wall. Whatever your study or work situation might be, I think you'll find this project really helpful and fun to make. Let's get started. All right, we're gonna get started with a pre-cut piece of craft plywood. Mine is 12 by 24. These craft sheets are super easy to find at any craft store. This size in particular was perfect for the place I want to put it on my wall. The first thing we're gonna do here is just drill a couple holes at the top that we can put a rope through later. I think I want my holes to be about 1 inch from the top and about a 1/2 inch in from the sides. As always, don't forget your sacrificial piece of wood to place under where you want to drill. I'm just going to set the base of this aside and we can work on the other elements now. When I was browsing the wood section of the craft store, I found these 2 wooden boxes that I thought would be perfect for a pair of scissors and pencils and pens, maybe some tape, just things that I need often. I went back and forth on if I wanted to leave these plain or if I wanted to paint them, but I think I have decided to dress up this wall organizer a little bit and paint about 3/4 of it pink. So I'm just gonna do painter's tape, and I'm not even gonna worry about painting the backside of these because it'll be glued to the board. I think I'll do 1 more row. Make sure when you tape projects off like this that it's very nice and secure so that the paint doesn't leak through. Do my other box. Now for the fun part, we get to paint. I think I'm just gonna do a very light coat. I don't even mind if a little wood shows through. I want this to be more subtle. Okay, I think these look great. Now I'm just going to set them aside to dry. And then next I'm gonna show you how we're gonna add a dry erase in the little cork board. I'm gonna use another piece of craft plywood. Again, very easy to find something like this in any wood section of a craft store. This piece is 12 by 6. My vision for this is that half is going to be a dry erase board and half is going to be a cork board. I found 2 very easy ways at the craft store to make this happen. I didn't even know that they sold vinyl dry erase sheets, but they do, and they're really easy to work with. You've got your dry erase side, and then the back is adhesive, so you can just easily pull it off and it sticks really well to your surface. This is just a square cork sheet that I found, and it just happened to fit these dimensions perfectly. They also sell cork in sheets, so if you don't find anything that fits yours exactly how you would like, then you can just cut it yourself. The first thing I'm going to do is just attach the vinyl dry erase. So this is already cut to size. I'm just leaving about a 1/2 inch on each side so I can tuck it under. I'm gonna go ahead and just place this on my board a little bit at a time so it doesn't get too sticky. Perfect. Smooth it out, go to the back side. On these corners here, I'm just gonna tuck in, almost like you're wrapping a present. Smooth edges. And we're just gonna cover the rest of this raw edge with the corkboard. Just gonna add a little hot glue. Okay, and that is done. Super easy. Now I have a place to write notes, pin pictures, or other reminders. I'm excited about this. The last element of my office wall organizer is going to be a calendar. I found this one and it fits my plywood perfectly. I also love this pattern. I think it's so pretty. There's really not much to this except we're going to use this wooden peg to attach it to our base of the organizer. So I'm going to bring our wood piece back in and I'm just going to mark where I want this wood peg to go. All right, now is the fun part. We are just going to glue everything together. I'm just gonna put a teeny tiny dot, or I'm going to try this. Wood glue always comes out fast and I always use more than I need. So just a little dab of wood glue goes a long way, and I'm gonna place it on that dot I made. and then move on to attaching our wooden boxes. Once again, just a little bit of wood glue is going to go a long way. Make sure it lines up well on the bottom. Okay, that looks good. While the box is dry, I'm just going to add my cork and dry erase board. I'm going to put it just a couple inches above the boxes. All right, that looks great. Now I'm just going to let this all dry, and then we'll add the rope and we're ready to hang it up. My rope is about 40 inches. All we're going to do is simply thread each end of the rope through the holes. Flip over, just make a double knot here, and that is all there is to it. So I am going to add mounting strips to the top, bottom, and sides just to give it a little extra security so it's not all on the rope. Okay, now all that we're missing is our calendar. Well guys, as you can see, the wall organizer is so cute and it fits perfectly in the corner of my office. I could even see this organizer being really useful in a mudroom. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you later. Bye!